Here I'll be showing the PyCaret-GRAdio one. Like here I have the two different data sets. One is a wine and another one is a Titanic one. So I'll be showing the demo for these two types. So basically we need to install the Gradio, like the pip install PyCaret-GRAdio, and then we need to read the pandas and classification tool, as well as like in that I'll be importing all the commands by the star, and then the Gradio GR will be imported. For the dataset, I am directly loading from the Kaggle, where this is the site for that, and it will read directly CSV file of it. And once it's done, then I have to set up a PyCaret classification experiment, then the training the best model for that, and this goes for training the model. And here the target is specified as a quality, and the session ID I gave as a 123. And once it's done, then it will show the prediction of the model, like SVM dummy and KNN, like how much accuracy they are predicting, and AUC recall precision score and F1. So it goes on. So here it gives which is the best accuracy I'm getting for this exact model. So here extraterritorial classifier giving me the good accuracy score to compare with other models. So then the step 5 is to finalize the model and the train the full data set, and the step 6 will be model of the R2 disk, and then we need to load the model of that. And the final wine model is the one from which I'll be saving the model, and here I'll be loading the model of it. And once these two save and load is performed, then we have to go for the prediction and other things. So here the column names are defined here. So I'm using a try catch method to throw out the other events or any other print input data errors. So here the debugging will be using the print input, and the prediction score is the prediction model, and the data is as a input data, where previously like I have defined the data here. So final data, and on the above side. So on the check if the label column exists or not. If not exists, then it will hit in the hillock of -1 that will adjust to the last column of the key. That is, these are the my columns which have for this bind data set. And once it's done, then creating a Gradio interface with a proper input range. So here I have to provide a minimum and the maximum range of it, and a value for the boolean, and label it as a fixed label here. Once the interface is done, then I have to predict the model. Train the Gradio model, like interface of that, and via GR interface it will launch the Gradio interface. Once I run this, like here I can adjust my fixed acidity and a critical acid violation, volatile acidity, and etc. These are the columns which I have mentioned here, like in a previous in this try catch function, where once I hit submit here, then it will calculate the output for that. Like I can increase the volatile acidity or something, then it will show me the output for this. This is a wine quality prediction based upon the Gradio like UI tool. This is the one such example, and the other one I'm using the Titanic one, and this is the basic, like it's a unique one. Like from very long time I was using this Titanic, nearly 3 or 4 years ago. The Titanic dataset is a it will get the data of Titanic. Once we get the data, like I'm performing a regression, and I'll import the few things, and here like my target variable would be survived data, and the session ID is 123, and etc. Like here I can see the pre-processing is will be true, and I'll be creating a model. So here, so once the create model is done, then the fold and the mean STD, root mean square and everything I can see the see here the, map, and R2 square and MSC and MAE, and these are the pre-built to create a model in the regression. Once the create model is done, then I can launch the Gradio interface with the training model. So my training model has been performed here. So then I can create an app for the Gradio interface. Once I create the Gradio interface, here the passenger details. For example, here we can see like the in the head, like I have the top 5 passenger details. With the one passenger details I have entered here, like post that, like I can check like what I'm getting here. I can see the output of the passenger details, that is 1, and the labeling is 0, and everything to fetch the single details. So these two are the two different approaches using Gardio and other tools. So yeah, this is about it.